Okay, and welcome back to this fourth part of the Fidgetstick data collection tutorial. So now I'm going to take you through the actual data entry into the Fidgetstick site, transferring that data from the external resource from the brand site into Fidgetstick. So I've already logged in. You're going to need to do that following the instructions that were in the spreadsheet that I gave you before. And here we're going to make our way, once you've signed in, to the product review section. Okay. So brings up our product review section. Now, within this section you'll see all the categories, so whichever specific category you've been tasked with collecting data for. So in this instance we're going to go into kayaks. Okay. Now, first thing you'll see here is that we have your user menu. So here, submit new, you can submit a new listing, you can see your reviews that you've posted and your listings and others. So the main thing that's concerning us right now as we're inputting a new item is add new listing or submit new. That's essentially the same thing. So and you'll see here that we're listing already 150 of these items, and you'll see the format in which they are listed. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is select add new listing. Okay, so this brings up the submission screen. Here, the first thing we're going to do is make sure we have the right category. So here, kayak and canoe products, and from the drop down we have the right product, kayak. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is input the title of our product, and as we said before, the format is brand and product. Okay, so we're going to input that into our site. So Dagger Agent 6.0, and the next item we're going to put in the summary description. Remember we talked about before the text summary. So we put that. So simple copy and paste from the site, and again we have some more description here. Okay, and finally go into the product page, and we have some more description we'll put into the summary box. Okay, that completes the summary section. And then finally we have the technical specifications of the product, numbers, weight, etc. And what we're going to do is include that in the description section. The description section is for the specifications of the product. Okay, so the next thing as we scroll down, we can just check, make sure the formats and text and everything look okay. Make sure nothing's sort of moved out too far. This looks neat enough for what we're doing. Alright, next thing we're going to do is upload an image. So like we said before, we'll come back to here and we will save this image to our desktop, Agent 6.0, so we recognise it. Okay, and we've downloaded that, so that's fine. Okay, so now we're going to browse. We will find our Agent 6.0. Okay, so we found that. We're going to open that, and then we're going to input our meta description. Remember the format from before, so it's Dagger Agent 6.0 kayak kayaking product review, and we're just going to replicate that. We're going to copy it and put it into the meta keywords as well. We keep a similar format, and that's it. From there we hit submit. Now in this case I've already input